Good morning. Good morning. Okay. First plan of action for the day. I commit to not overtrading. I commit to only trading my strategy at the key levels that I find in my pre-market analysis. Um, I commit to trading without emotion. If I take two consecutive losses, trading one contract, then I'm done for the day. And that's it. Okay. All right, let's look at what's happening from a top-down view. In the 5-minute chart, so yesterday, price came in, chopped around, came down to that level in the morning where I took a trade. Wow, price shot up all the way yesterday on the NQ. $11, $12, all the way up here. So we're going to mark that one up real quick. It's not the greatest volume shelf, but well, we'll mark it out. And it came up all the way to, dang, 378 last night. And it seems to be falling like crazy right now. On the ES, interestingly, we failed to break past higher highs yesterday. Came up all the way here yesterday morning, or Monday. Tuesday chopped around, came back up all the way to another previous higher high, or the previous high. and then kind of took another shit. Okay. Okay, now let's come back over here to do some more analysis. All right. Before we do that, I need to run to the restroom. Okay, what do we have going on? So I'm looking at the 1 minute chart in the ES and the NQ. Okay, so just right off the bat, we've got some support at 3,200. Yeah, like makes sense. Let's mark that out because that is kind of our low. And we're going to mark out this high up here. And this is like a, interestingly enough, a all-time high once again for the NQ. Now we've got some thin volume over here. Right in this range. I'm going to mark this out with a little square. I mean, volume is really thin up here in general. You know, guys, I would not be surprised if price didn't come down here today. Matter of fact, let's put it like right here. At 168, which is that where I put it over here? Put mine at one. This other one at 114. And we're identifying this as just a area of interest. Okay. We're going to do this other one over here at this high. I don't like having tons and tons of these on the chart. Yeah, so it's going to bounce around here at 200, and let's see what happens if this becomes support or resistance. If it falls through this, my next guess, my next key area is going to be at 3169. And then below that, we're looking down here at this high of yesterday's high, that is. Below that, I mean, there is a good shot that it'll come all the way down here. To this high volume node where it's going to fart around for a minute. We've kind of got a high node here too, or a low node right there. That's a potential area of bounce. So each one of these is a potential area of bounce. I'm going to mark one more here as the high volume node and color this one different. Let's make this one orange. Looks too much like red. Now, how about blue? Okay, that's our high volume node. That's where the price is likely to chop around, like, well, to get sucked down there and just fart around and figure out what it wants to do. As far as the hourly volume nodes, we have this fair value gap all the way up here at 31.29. And right now we are trading below the EMAs. Now, let's go see what the ES is telling us. Is it saying the same thing? Let's see. By the way, CVD is also saying the same things. Okay. You know, I kind of like having the 5-minute chart up here as well. You get a lot from the 5-minute chart in this particular platform. Oh, interesting. You get gamma levels from the previous day that just plot here. That's really cool. Okay. My lowest volume node here is at 75.34. We've got another low volume node up here. Kind of playing around at 75.55. I don't like the fact that those are so close. All right, we just broke 200. $75.34 is where that low volume node is. Where's yesterday's low? So last night, so yesterday, so it'd been 5:26 at 9 p.m. Last night, yeah, dropped all the way down here, but markets are open, and look at that, they are going down, baby. Okay, and the race is off. Lots of sells coming in. I mean, we're just tanking through liquidity. Gamma's really not telling me much. Oh man, we're just getting some big sells. That's pretty much it. We have nothing really going on today. In the news. I think that my GeekSpot might not be working today. I'm really seeing. It says it's got like major net gex and open interest, but it's not calculating volume as of this morning. I wonder why. I wonder what's going on. All right, we've got a little bit of a bounce off of this 31, 38, 3118 level, which was the yesterday's high. So let's just see if it holds. $31 120 is where there was some liquidity. I want to see what happens when it comes back up here to VWAP. If it can bounce through VWAP and hold above VWAP, then I'll take a trade going north. If it goes back down, we'll see. We'll see what happens if it breaks yesterday's high. If it breaks yesterday's high and continues downward, then we're looking for a continuation downward. But once again, I commit not to trade chasing price. So Tuesday's high on the ES, it's already shot past, down past that. And it's farting around at this high level node. It's found some value and acceptance there. Looks like my biggest level down here is 75.36. What is 75.36? That's the overnight low. Yeah, we got big sales. Look at that. Just dropped past. Just dropped past that 31 118 level, which was yesterday's high on the NQ. And ES kind of seems to be holding there at 75.42. But like I said, I would like to see it drop farther down, closer into the 30s before I take a trade up north. Actually, you know what, you guys? It hit that level and it's having a hard time going below it. So might be a good time for a one buy over there.
Order filled.
And I'm going to make this stop even tighter. I'm going to make this stop over here, $50. Looks like we have a big buy order at 100. Limit at 100. So if it goes past that, I'm going to hit my stop.
Order filled.
Yeah, okay. That was a lost trade, no problem. I mean, it just continues to bleed. So let's wait until 75.36. Okay. We have a big buy order there as well. You know what? I like that trade. Although, look at that. It didn't come all the way through and then eat this liquidity. So is it going to hit support over here at 75.35? $75.30, there seems to be a lot of liquidity. What is Gamma telling me? My Gamma's back. We've got negative Gamma in both of these. In volume, Gamma is negative. Open interest, however, it's positive. We've got sells coming in on the ES, or I'm sorry, on the NQ. I'm going to put my buy order over here at 30.30. A limit buy of 1. $75.30 is where I would like to see this one get down to. Although I'm already at 75.36. The price seems to be dropping even further. If price does not hit that level, we'll see. It bounced at 30.50 once. Let's see if it continues down. Looks like it wants to. Right? Oh, we haven't seen buyers step in yet. It's going to hit that level. Going to tag me in.
Order filled.
Okay, it sure did. See, this isn't good though. We've got these, well, ate through it. Now we just wait. All right. We've got some buyers stepping back in. Look at that, not a ton of liquidity on the offer. Or on the bid, I mean. That's why price was able to shoot up the way that it did. And not these big giant block orders that just stalled. So that looks good. And yeah, like it's looking decent. Although, like I said, I would have liked price to go a little bit lower here on the ES. Although it did come all the way down to 33, 50, 33. Well, I guess it kind of did. We've got a wall of buyers over here. Passive buyers at 53. And then these sales just keep coming in. It's not looking good.
Order filled.
Today was a good lesson, guys. I done failed. It's okay. Sometimes we just take these losses and we just accept that. It is what it is. All right, that's interesting. So it did tank all the way down here to where I thought it was going to. Wow. I have one more buy at 900. We're so far below the EMAs. And we're selling off something pretty fierce. Looks like we have some buys coming in. On the ES, but it's got to break through 75.35, which is now acting as resistance. Yeah, we still have sell orders coming in. Could bounce to 75.25. Okay, guys, I think it's gonna start popping up now.
Order filled.
It's got to really break through this EMA cloud for me to really consider this a decent trade. I mean, we've come back up through and we've closed now above our 7 EMA. We do have buys coming in on 29,620, 29,670. Which is not really, that's not super exciting for me. That doesn't make me super confident, I guess. I want to see what does make me confident though is we've got buys over here at 3,180. So I'm gonna bring this back down to 3,100 and we'll say 50. And that's where I will have my target. That's major positive GEX. And it all kind of depends right here if it shoots back down past my cloud there. I want to see it break above 540. We got a lot of sellers coming in, guys. I think it's going to bust me out. No! We got giant positive orders here, but there's a wall of sellers. There's some people selling, guys. There's some passive motherfuckers up in there. I'm not liking that. It's got to go past 340. If it does not, then it's probably going to stop me out. Let's see a close above 340. Actually, the number to beat is 3075. 30.75. Got to beat 30.75. It's shooting past that over here on the NQ on the ES. It's got to get above 75.40 on the ES. I mean, it's trying. What is CVE telling us? We're still negative. You know, like this wasn't a great trade, you guys. Got to get above 75.40. I have a feeling we've got sellers up there. All right. We have buyers that are coming in. Buyers are stepping in. Let's see if these motherfuckers are willing to take the price higher. Doesn't look like it. We've got a big battle happening up here. CVD is our passive sellers aren't stepping in. Okay, we're breaking above. We're getting there. We're getting there. It's going to hit that wall. 75.40 is the number to beat. If it doesn't get past 75.40, we're fucked. We need big buys to step in right the fuck now. Look at that. We broke past it. Fuck yeah. Hopefully NQ follows. We've got buys coming down in NQ. Good. Popped up there in NQ. It's got to be able to come above. Yeah. All right, it's officially flipped. Let's do a zero trade. Look at that, 31,100 is where it bounced back from. What's Gamma telling us? 31,120. That sales coming in 30, 30, 370. But a lot of buys at 3, 30, 30, 370, which is the top of that range for the day. It's got to break 3,100. If it breaks 3,100, let's keep our stop up here. Okay, that sell order's coming in down there, which looks to me like absorption. But we have aggressive sellers that still want to push the price down. Are they perhaps losing steam? Maybe. But maybe not. Yeah, they just keep one. They just keep. So that could have been perhaps. Let me stop out here, guys. That downward pressure.
Order filled.
Whoa, big downward pressure.
Order filled. Order filled.
That was crazy. Oh yeah, we have big downward movement. And look at this. So lots and lots and lots of sell pressure that came in just there. The question is it going to bounce?
Order filled.
I just didn't want to go. I think the better move here would be probably to take a short. I think so.
Order filled.
Man, I just keep losing today.
Order filled.
Look at this odd divergence happening right here between the ES and the NQ. I mean, at some point, there's going to be a reversal. Breaks past 75.50. That's a pretty good sign. Remember, 75.40 was the number to be from before. VWAP over here. All right, so we have some aggressive buys. Come on, you fucker, push up. Gosh, guys, the NQ is such a mess today. Cumulative volume delta on the ES is not looking great. We had that big, giant, massive seller that came in at, the thing is, though, it didn't push price any farther down. So that's actually kind of a bullish sign. I don't like this 184 either. Okay, so there's some buys coming in there, but look at that, immediate sells. Fuck. Bounces over here on the EMA. Looks like this trade's about to become invalid, you guys.
Order filled.
This is a bad sign, guys. At this point, guys, I'm kind of trading on tilt. I gotta be honest. This is not where I wanted.
Order filled.